Wet, 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 wet.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Since Andre Dior High, the king of all of the madness. If this is your first time watching me, please just do me a favor and press the subscribe button. Join Andre Army, which is my gang, and we like the bougiest, and we really have a really dope time. So today I'm giving you guys the 5-minute eyebrow tutorial because you guys, y'all be spamming my social media. Y'all spam my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all that, and I'm like, you know what? They've been fiending for this eyebrow tutorial, and I really love y'all, Andre Army. So today I'm like, I might as well give y'all an eyebrow tutorial, and here it is. This thing of eyebrows and concealer. I don't have a foundation, powder, highlighter, none of that. I'm just giving you skin. You could do this for going to the gym, going to work, going to an interview. You just gotta go see a boo real quick, and he like, I'm outside, come downstairs. So keep watching to see me how I achieve these brows.
My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends them a walking trophy.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Comment what you want to see me do next. Go watch my previous videos and see y'all in my next video.
Your body